teaching how to explore food in an honorable way that does not, forget the humanity in the hands that make it. And B, like how to modernize that food with honor to the cultures that we take from. We included cannabis in it because we were modernizing. And especially with food from the Black American South, I do loads of things with grits. I love grits. A modernization for me might be taking crab grits and I might actually deconstruct it, or I might make something like an arancini ball that's a bit different. I might use a pesto. I don't live in the South anymore. I live in Long Beach. So my food technically is a Southern Cali fusion, literally. I now have to eat based on my new geography. So there are things that I have here that I didn't have back home all the time, and some things that I don't have here that I used to have back home. And even when I order those things, I'm still using California produce. There are those little changes that get made, and it's really honoring that fusion.